Comfort, flexibility, and trusted accessibility come together beautifully with this 2014 Honda Odyssey EXL. With 69,600 miles, this wheelchair-accessible van offers the kind of dependable performance and everyday usability Honda is known for, making it a smart choice for families, caregivers, or individual drivers. This Odyssey is equipped with a VMI Northstar automatic side entry in-floor ramp. It deploys smoothly for easy access, then tucks nearly beneath the floor to keep the interior open, clean, and easy to navigate. This Honda gives you the space needed for many wheelchairs and power chairs to enter comfortably. Inside, the tan leather interior adds a refined, comfortable feel that makes every trip more enjoyable. You'll also find the removable driver and passenger seats, giving you flexible seating and driving configurations to better match your needs. A sunroof brings in natural light and adds to the open feel of the cabin, while the stylish burgundy exterior gives the Odyssey a distinct look that stands out from the crowd. Powered by Honda's reliable 3.5-liter V6 engine, this van delivers smooth acceleration, quiet performance, and the long-term dependability that has made the Odyssey a favorite in the mobility world. So if you're looking for a mobility van that brings together comfort, versatility, and proven accessibility, this 2014 Honda Odyssey EXL is ready to make daily life easier. Call Automobility Store today at 800-431-3183 or visit automobilitystore.com to learn more. We'd love to help you find the right mobility solution.